Welcome back to Daytime Live. We're joined by the super talented actress, singer, and all-around, one of my favorites, Punche, aka a joke.
We're fighting over her, actually.
Yes. Miss Bella Blair. Welcome to Daytime Live, Bella.
Bella, a lot of people know you as the popular vlogger, right? For what, the past 6 years. Is it that you've stopped vlogging now?
For right now.
For right now. Yeah. Okay. To focus on
music.
Yeah. Awesome. I didn't know you could sing the way you sing. You have a beautiful voice. I heard her in rehearsal, and I'm like, hold on, Bella. I'm confused, you know? Because I just think you're so funny, you're so talented, and so congratulations on this new part in your life.
I mean, even with that, is it that for the rest of the year, what's the timeline like? Because we kind of want some more skit. So I know the focus is on that. But
I can't just stop beating me up for the skit, and I just can't. No, but here's the thing. I was doing music before I started the skits, you know? And my music more resonated with the audience abroad more than in Jamaica. Because I had a hit song in Portugal, nobody don't know about it because they say Porto who. So in the song in Lisbon, it was known as the Up Up song. It was like a dance house joint. But then when I was in university, come back and I forgot school, this singing thing, I don't know what I do with it.
She's coming out. Yeah. We just got a piece of her.
Yeah, so I had to go to school and then I started vlogging because I was doing TV. You know, we are Caramac peeps, and I upload to YouTube and Facebook and everybody just
love it.
So now I'm really chasing my dream because I was at a point where I started to be depressed. And so I decided, you know,
let me
just
jump
chase my dream.
and actually go.
Tell us
what are you performing first?
Don't chat to me.
All right. Yeah,
The
stage is yours still.
Okay. All right. Well, with that, you're just gonna go ahead and just take it away. We're going to stop chatting, you know. Huh? Bella Blair, everybody.
Don't chat to me. Don't say a word to me. I miss it tell all the bad mind them say. Excuse me, you're distracting me. Don't know why the haters contacting me. I don't want a lot of girlfriends, no. I don't want another fake friend, no. Don't try to be friends with me. When I wasn't up, you wasn't down with me. Go back to your ugly, ugly friends, no. No, I'm at the table for you fake. Cause right now, I'm gonna say don't say a word to me. Don't say a word to me, nada. Can't sit with me. Come and suck a tiny to the tiny. See me on the road, don't chat to me. If you see me in my mode, don't chat to me. And if you see me getting dough, don't chat to me. Don't chat to me, don't chat to me. If you see me on the road, don't chat to me. If you see me in my mode, don't chat to me. And if you see me getting dough, don't chat to me. I am the realest, got no time for the fake ones. I don't care about your feelings, not gonna sugarcoat this. Cause no new friends, new enemy, no new space with no one a friend of me. There you go again, acting like you like me. You can't stand me, you can't stand me. Cause right now, you see, I'm winning with my team. Don't say a word, don't say a word to me. Nada. Can't sit with me. Come and circle tiny. See me on the road, don't chat to me. If you see me in my mode, don't chat to me. And if you see me getting down, if you see me on the road, if you see me in my mode, and if you see me getting down, tell all the bad mind them say I don't want to be them friendly. Tell all the bad mind them say I don't want to be them friend. Hey! Tell all the bad mind them say I don't want to be them friendly. Tell all the bad mind them say I don't. See me on the road, don't chat to me. If you see me in my mode, don't chat to me. And if you see me in my door, if you see me on the road, yeah. See me on the road, yeah. If you see me in my mode, yeah. And if you see me getting dough, yeah. Don't chat to me, don't chat to me.
the road,
Don't chat to me.
and if you see me in my mouth,
Don't chat to me.
and if you see me getting down,
Don't chat to me.
don't chat to me.
Don't chat to me.
Yeah.
Awesome, 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 awesome. So I have this thing where every morning I'm listening to a particular playlist. That's going on my playlist. That's going on my playlist.
RGR station
Every
playlist as
station
well.
playlist.
Yeah.
That's an amazing song. Another round of applause, please. Absolutely talented.
I was listening to this Bella, and I mean, you know, the instruments and stuff like that. It's very interesting. You know, I like what you do.
Don't chat to me. Don't chat to me.
Yeah.
You're going good, girl. Thank you very much. Thank you so much for watching a Daytime Live. Bella, one more thing. How we get you on social media with the music?
At the Bella Blair, Spotify me Bella Blair, YouTube me Bella Blair, Google me Bella Blair.
Everything with Bella Blair. Okay.
Yes.
Remember to catch us back on Tuesday with much more
Buzz, chat, vibe,
and mix. So to close out the show, here is once again, Don't Chat to Me, Bella Blair. Woo!
Don't chat to me. I don't want to be them friend. Don't say a word to me. I miss it till all the bad mind them say. Excuse me, you're distracting me. Don't know why the haters contacting me. I don't want another girlfriend, no. I don't want another fake friend, no. Don't try to be friends with me. When I wasn't up, you wasn't down with me. Go back to your ugly, ugly friends, no. No, I'm at the table for your fake nose.